Hi students, I am Priyanka Jain. I am a verified educator at the Unacademy Plus platform. And here is a very big news for all of you. Soon we are starting a batch course for the inorganic chemistry. I have launched firstly a course on the unit 1st, unit 2nd and unit 3rd that you have seen. Okay, now we are starting a new batch course for the chemistry of p block elements. Here we will cover all the important topics of the p block elements like boranes, closonido, arachnoboranes, Wade's rule, how to identify between boranes, what is Stick's rule, carbaboranes, and then we will see silicates, silicones, phosphorus oxyacids of sulfurs, halogen compounds, genone compounds, and much more. Okay, all the questions of the CSIR net we will cover. So we are starting the course from 10th of November. Okay, so see that course at the 12:30 p.m. right? And at the Unacademy Plus platform, there is a special feature. You can see the special classes, free classes. Okay, there are free classes in which there is a opportunity to raise a hand. You can solve your doubts in quick minutes. Okay, so you can solve your queries. So please subscribe the Unacademy Plus platform. My code is Priyanka Jain 10. PRIYANKAJAIN 10. Okay, by clicking on my code you will get a 10% off on the Unacademy Plus subscription. Thank you. Hi everyone, welcome in chemistry classes. I am Priyanka Jain and you are watching the solutions of TIFR 2021. We know that the exam of TIFR is coming soon. So we are seeing here the solutions for TIFR. So see here one of the questions from the quantum mechanics. Actually, we will see two questions here. Okay, two questions from the quantum mechanics we will start here. So see here this question, the wave function of a particle is given. We have given this is the wave function psi xt is equal to sine k x minus pi 4k plus omega t. Okay, relative to an initial reference time of t is equal to 0, the probability of finding the particle at a later time t is equal to pi upon 4 omega at the point x is equal to 0. So we have given four options. One is increases, second is decreases, third is stay the same, and fourth one is may increase or decrease depending on the k. Okay, so we know the question's answer is option number B we have given here. Okay, so see how to do this question. What is the question and how to do this question? Okay, we have given the wave function. Okay, this is time dependent wave function. Okay, so we have given psi is a function of x and t, right? Now we have given that the initial condition is that the time t is equal to 0. At the initial state t is equal to 0. Okay, and after some time the t's value is equal to pi upon 4 omega. Okay, this is given to us, and we have given that the point is x is equal to 0. So x value will always remain is equal to 0, right? So this is the thing that you have to do here. You have given x is a function of x and t. So just you have to put the values of t and x in the equation. So firstly we will put this value for t is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0, right? So firstly we are doing the same. So what we are getting, psi at points 0 0. Okay, x is equal to 0 and time t is equal to 0. When we are putting this, what we are getting, sine. Now see here, just you have to put k and here x value. The value of x will be equal to 0. So just put here 0 minus pi upon 4k. Okay, and then plus omega t. Omega into value of t is equal to 0. Okay, so this whole value will be equal to 0. So omega into 0 will be equal to 0, right? So now just you have to do k, here will be minus pi upon 4k plus 0. So this will means nothing. So here this k to k will cancel out and we are getting sine of minus pi upon 4. Okay, and we know that sine minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. So this will be equal to minus psi pi by 4 and value of pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So this value will be equal to minus 1 by root 2. Okay, this value will be equal to minus 1 by root 2. Now we have to find out the probability, right? So probability is given by psi square. We all know that the probability is given by psi square. So value of this will be equal to minus 1 by root 2 square. Okay, so this will be equal to 1 by 2. Okay, this is the first condition when we have given x is equal to 0 and t is equal to 0. Okay, now we have to see the second condition when x is equal to 0 and t is equal to pi upon 4 omega. Okay, so you can write here psi will be equal to sine. Then again write down here k, and here x will be equal to 0. Okay, x will be equal to 0 minus pi by 4k. Okay, plus you have to put here the value of t. Value of t will be equal to pi upon 4 omega. Okay, so what you are getting? You are getting sine minus pi by 4 plus here this omega to omega will cancel out and you are getting plus pi by 4. So this will cancel out and you are getting its value will be equal to sine 0, and we know that the value of sine 0 is equal to 0. Okay, so now the probability is what? Probability is the square of psi. It means psi square will be equal to 0. So the probability is going. Firstly, the probability you have seen here is 1 by 2. Now the probability is equal to 0. So probability is going from 1 by 2 to 0. It means probability is decreasing. So we can write down that the probability is decreasing. Okay. So if you see in the question paper, you will see this B option is the right answer. It means the probability is decreasing. Alright, now see this question again from the TIFR 2021. This question is again from the quantum mechanics and the question is very simple. For a particle in 1D box of length 2L, the normalization constant A for its wave function psi xt is equal to A sine n pi x by 2L, where we have given n is equal to 1 to 3 is given by. Okay, so we have to find out the value of A, normalization constant. Okay, when the length is changed from L to 2L, it means length is changing from L to 2L. Okay, and the question is very simple. See here, normalization constant means A, and we know that for the 1D box, if you have seen my video of the particle in 1D box, I have given you the video, full video, and also the questions. So you can see that videos. I will give you the link in the description box. So where we have seen that the A value, normalization constant for the particle in 1D box, is given by root 2 by L. Okay, now we have given that the length is changed from L to 2L. It means now we have to put just a value of L is equal to 2L. So when we are putting this value, what we are getting? This 2L. So this will cancel out and answer we are getting is equal to this. You can write here 1 by root 1 by L. Okay, so this is our answer. You can match it, option number A. This is the right answer. Okay, in this way you have to do the question. Meets you in the next video. Thank you.